Hey guys, Amy here with Sublimation and More and Hellbound Designs, and in this video I'm just going to show you real quick how to press these MDF Pet Tags. I do cut these myself and using a laser cutter, and they will come with some protective coating. Sometimes they may not, just depends on if the coating peels off during the laser cutting process, but for the most part they should. You should be able to see the protective coating on there. Sorry, my hands are dirty. I've been out there cutting, so I'm just going to peel that off. And it's going to be on both sides. Now, if you can see this, there is a tiny bit of residue up there and maybe over there. So we just need to wipe that off with a soft cloth. And you can use some rubbing alcohol, that'll get it off too. I'm just using a soft cloth though, no rubbing alcohol for this video. But I do recommend a microfiber cloth. Alright, so you just want to rub it off really good, and that, as you can see, the residue came off. Other side. Alright, so now I'm going to press these little cute Pet ID templates. I'm choosing to do 2 different states just so you guys can see. What I'm going to do is, you can tape or you can spray. I think I'm going to use spray for this one. And I'm using the Conde Pro spray. Just spray a little tiny bit. You don't want to spray too much. It gets sticky, and make sure you do it over your trash can. Now these are the templates I sell, so I'm just going to line it up as perfectly as I can. You're going to press with the paper face down, substrate face up. Alright, you want to make sure you put your paper, okay? And you want a piece on the bottom and the piece on the top to protect both your bottom and your top platen. So I usually just take my paper and kind of sandwich it. All right, and then we're going to press for 370 degrees for 50 seconds. You want to use medium pressure. All right, and we're going to go ahead and let that cook. All right, we're in the last few seconds. Oops. It's going to be hot, so just be careful. Use your heat gloves if you have any. And pick it up and show you. I'm just going to go ahead and put it in my heat gloves so you guys can see. And look at the quality of that. That's nice. See how good it looks? All right. Good quality, guys. All right, so now we're going to do the other side. And I'm going to take my other paper, wherever it is, with a little tiny bit of spritz again over the trash can. Alright, so I got the spritz on, so we're just going to place it on the other side. And we're going to press again. Medium pressure for, 370 degrees for 50 seconds. And we'll be right back after it's done. All right, we're in the last few seconds. Quickly peel off. And this is another template that I sell. So I did 2 templates here. One for Tennessee, and you can see the quality. That looks really good. And the other side for Texas. Okay, so that's it, guys. So the templates and the MDF peel good. Now remember you may have to adjust your time and settings based on your heat press. The recommended settings that we give of 370 for 50 seconds is just a recommendation based on my heat press and what works for me. So if you find that it's not pressing well, it could be a couple things. It could be you may need a little more heat, a little more pressure, and it could also be your paper. I always recommend Tex-R paper, print paper, which is, let's see if I have any here. It's the Tex print paper, and it's the Tex Print R paper. This paper is fabulous, guys. It works for all substrates. That's why I use it. I love that they have their logo on the back, so I know which side to always print on. So, and I have never found anything that this paper doesn't work with. So again, here is the MDF, which so you guys can see up close. I'll do the Texas side now. There you go. And as you can see, it's just fabulous quality. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed watching the video, and don't forget to please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.